This is my 1954 John Deere 40c. It came from an older gentleman who I enjoyed visiting with. Unfortunately, he has since passed away. He had about 200 tractors in his collection, and when they all went up for auction, I was able to snag this one. This model's got roughly 15 to 18 horsepower, and although it's pretty small, it's pretty useful for its size. In the background you can see a pile of tree limbs and trees that I've piled up using this machine. To operate the John Deere 40c, I'm going to put it in neutral, and I wired my switch in wrong, so I have to go to the lights position instead of the on position to start it. Here's your choke, pushing in on the clutch, and here's your starter. This is your idle adjustment, and this is to steer each way, and this here is to raise and lower the front bleed. So let's start it up. Hydraulics on this machine are a little slow. They also interfere with the track up there, so when I bring it in the garage, I'm going to look at a series of different things. Some like issues that I'm having with it. But let off the clutch, and here we go forward. now that the John Deere 40c is in the garage, we're going to be taking a look at the track tensioner, adjusting it so the track doesn't interfere with the side of the dozer blade frame. We're going to be looking at the front main crankshaft seal because that seems to be leaking every time I operate it, and we're also going to take a look at that key ignition switch. This way it's wired up properly and I don't have to turn it to the headlight position to start the machine.